The last topic we reviewed in this walk through property law in our organization of the subject was about rights, specifically water rights. Now we come to the last topic, rights of support. We're talking about lateral and subjacent support of the property. So for example, what happens if you own a piece of land and the next door landowner or possessor chooses to dig for a swimming pool right near the property line, and as a result, your land collapses? It's those sorts of rights we need to talk about now. So, on to rights of support to round out our run-through property law.
Now finally, the last topic, 12, rights of support. And we have two of these rights. We have the right to lateral support, in other words, the land next to it, and we have a right to subjacent support, in other words, the land underneath. With regard to lateral support, say there are two lots next to each other and one of the people starts digging and digging and digging and digging, causing the other lot to collapse. Well, in that situation, there would be strict liability for the land. Now, if there's a structure on the land, then there's strict liability for improvements only if the weight of the improvements did not cause the collapse. Otherwise, you're in a negligence theory. Now, with regard to subjacent support, you have strict liability, no matter what. So the holder of the mineral rights, and if someone has mineral rights to your land, and they very well may, you may think you own the land, but remember, property is a bundle of rights, and someone else may hold the mineral rights, say the rights to drill for oil. Well, if they do, if there is a holder of mineral rights, and they start digging, and they cause your subjacent support to go, thus damaging your land, they will be strictly liable. And actually, that's it for property. It's not as bad as you think. It's fairly long, but it's not as bad as a lot of people make it out to be.